Hey, hi guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video we can see what are the latest AI news. So let's get started. Hey, hi, I'm Vaibhav. I'm an AI consultant. We actually share the information about artificial intelligence and latest AI news. So let's get started. So the today's AI news, it is an on a Narayana Murthy sir. Okay. So the person who is the legend of software industry, IT services industry in India. Okay. So the Narayana Murthy statement, it is like on artificial intelligence hype in the India. Okay, so they are actually saying like the people who are ordinary in developer and programming, so they actually replaced by an artificial intelligence or AI. Okay, but the people who are extraordinary and they actually using AI in their workflow to create and generate a code, so they actually survive in the future. So they are actually giving the statement on like an silly old program is okay. So they're actually saying like the people who are not upgrading, they are not adapting the new technologies, they will they will not survive in the future. Okay. So and then previously also they give the one statement is on 70 hours a week. So they're actually many people criticize Naran Modi sir for this. So it is perfect view of every people. So yeah, so that is they actually also talking about the latest. They actually going to the one attended one conference, I guess. So on that conference, they actually explaining the fundamentals of artificial intelligence. They actually talking about what is actually AI and the basic of artificial intelligence to implement in any industry. So he's also very talented person, I guess. So that's all for the first AI news. The second AI news, it is on the Unilever company. So many people knows that the many of the product we are using, it is the base company and the parent company of that product, it is an Unilever in the FMCG. Okay, so they actually launched their latest perfume. Okay, so they actually the name is like an whole body dew. Okay, so the scientist of that perfume created, the people or the scientists, they are actually working on this perfume, and they're actually using AI and machine learning and data to create this product. Okay, so they're also talking like an AI and machine learning data behind Unilever latest launches. So the people and the scientists who are working on this perfume, they're actually saying like AI and machine learning data, it is very helpful for us to create this product. Okay, so they're also showing like yeah. So these are the two scientists. So also it is they actually saying that the butterfly effect. They actually talking about the butterfly effect in their creation of the perfume, because I think that this is the term of their creation and the scientific term to create the perfume. So I didn't get this more complex. So also they said that the we actually using a data to see the butterfly effect of different perfumes and data, and as per that data we actually created that perfume. So many of the industry they are using Unilever's product also. So that's all. So in the future many of the company use data and the AI to create multiple products and services, give the services. That's all for today's AI news. So if you like this video, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.